I put on some of these super long press-on nails the other day, and now I don't know what to do with my hands. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. You guys, today I'm going to be showing you all of my favorite pairs of denim. So I actually saw Atlee do this video and I thought, wow, that's actually a really cool idea. But at the time when I watched it, I had like one pair of jeans that I have had since 8th grade. Yeah, so needless to say, I have revamped my blue jean wardrobe, and we're gonna go ahead and go through all of the pairs that I have and my favorite pairs, because I don't have like too many pairs of jeans, but I have more than I used to. So a lot of these have become like my absolute favorites now. So yeah, and if you're new to this channel, then hello, I'm so happy to have you. Don't forget you can click the subscribe button to become part of this weird, awesome makeup family. And with that being said, let's jump on into the jeans. So we're gonna start with shorts. These are my first pair of denim shorts. Now these right here, these are from Express. Let's see if I can zoom out a little bit if that helps. I feel like I was super zoomed in, but these right here are from Express and I freaking love these. I love black shorts and they tie up, as you can see right here. These are some of the cutest shorts that I've ever seen in my entire life, and these are black denim and I just love them. They are so freaking cute, and again, I got them at Express and they weren't super duper expensive or anything like that. They're really good. These I did find tend to run a tiny bit large, so I actually did size down to a 2, and these I tried getting a 4, but they were a little bit too big, so I did size down to a 2. Sticking with the black shorts, I have one more pair of them, and these, here they are. These are BDG shorts, and these are from Urban Outfitters. And I was so excited when I got these. I actually got these ones before I got the Express jeans, and I was so worried that they were going to be too tight on me, because my body, I have a smaller waist but my thighs are quite large, so I got them thick thighs. So every time that I try on jeans, normally the waist is completely perfect, like it's snatched and it's great, but the thighs are like killing me. So whenever I sit down, it really hurts my crotch. Sad to say, but it's the truth and it happens. But so I was so nervous. I actually did size up in these because I'm normally a 27 in the waist, or like size 27 or whatever, but these are a size 28 because all the reviews were saying that they run super duper small. So I was really worried, but they fit perfect, like perfect, and I love them so much, and they're just super good. I really loved them. Next up, we're moving on to the rest of these are blue jeans of some kind of blue color. These ones are like the, nope, just kidding, wrong ones. These ones, I still have the tag, and these ones are still like those black ones, but these are in a denim blue jean color. I love them. I loved them so much, I got 2 colors. Yeah, these ones are really cute as well. Again, they have the little tie that you can do up, and it looks super cute with a crop top. Those are all of my shorts right now, so we're gonna go, actually, no, I got one more pair right here. These are from Madewell. I love these shorts. Now I actually did get these in a size too big by accident because I wasn't sure. Oh no. No, I didn't. These ones just tend to run a little bit big. I did get these in a 27, which is my normal size, but these ones do tend to run a tiny bit big, but they fit so well still. They're very comfortable. But these are like vintage rolled up denim jeans, and you can have them unrolled to be like cutoffs. Super cute, but I actually do like them rolled up a bit more. I think they look really nice. These ones fit super well and I love them. I know Madewell can be quite expensive, but if you can find a super good pair of denim, I would highly recommend it, because they are just so, they last so long. Honestly, like these ones, like I know they are a bit more pricey when you first get them, but like they will pay for themselves as you use them. Now we're moving on to the jeans. These are also from Madewell. If you saw my favorites video, I think it was maybe like April or something, I mentioned these jeans right here. These ones are still one of my favorites. I love them and they're so comfortable, and they have a little cutoff and frayed at the end bit, and they're just like a vintage jeans. I really, really like these. And if you can find the discount code or find them on sale, then I would highly recommend getting them on sale. I think they are doing some sales because of quarantine and stuff like that, so it would be a good time to try to pick some of these up if you've been looking at them, but they are super, super great. In my opinion though, in my, what's the word? In my experience, these Madewell jeans do tend to run a tiny bit large, so just read all the other reviews as well, but then take my review into account if you want, and maybe size up, size down, because they did run a bit too large on me, but is okay. They still fit really nicely. Sometimes I'd rather my denim be a tiny bit too large than too tight, because if they're too tight and you try to sit down, that ain't happening. Next up, these are ones that my parents actually got for me for my birthday, and I think my mom actually got these at Belk, and they're by the brand Wonderly. They are so freaking cute. They are extremely high rise, and I think these are one of the lightest washes that I have so far. They are bell bottoms, if you can see that. Oh my goodness, I love these. They look so vintage. They look so like 70s, 80s. They all button up at the front here, and they tie as well. And these are skinny jeans, my friend. They are form-fitting, but these fit so, so nicely. I really, really love these, and I always feel like whenever I wear this, I want to wear like my tie-dye crop top that I have and like some round sunnies, and then just be like flower child. Anyways, these are great, and they have cool little pockets on the front, and they don't have any on the back. Just kind of weird. It's like they should have just plopped these back here. I don't know why they didn't, but yeah, super cute jeans. I really, really like these, and I love the fact that they're bell bottoms and they look so retro, and I'm obsessed. Alrighty, next I've got these. I've got two more pair, well, this one and another one, so two pair. So this one is also from the brand BDG, and they are Urban Outfitters, and I love these. These are tight, very tight. I am obsessed with these jeans though, because they are a little bit ripped in the front here, but they are straight leg jeans, and they have the little fray at the end. These are size 27s, and they are slim straight jeans, and they are form-fitting. Let me tell you, like I get like this right here is the jean. These and these next ones, like these next ones are like probably even tighter. I don't know, but these are gonna be like my weight watching jeans, so like as long as I can wear these, I'll know that I haven't gained weight, and if I can't wear them anymore, I'll know that I've gained weight. There's literally nothing wrong with gaining or losing weight at all, but this is just something that I can use to like track my weight, because I don't like weigh myself every day kind of thing. Just remember that whoever you are, wherever you are, whatever weight you are, you a snack. And you look good. Just know that. But these, I wanted to bring these up because I love these jeans. I love them so much. I feel like these ones are ones that I wear all the time, because obviously all of these jeans match everything because they're blue jeans. But I love the fit of these. They're very like vintagey style. They're not mom jeans. They're not baggy. They are quite tight, but I still just love them, and I love the little rips. I think they're so cute. Da-da, 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 da-da. These are probably my coolest looking jeans. Not gonna lie, I saw these on Atlee's video, and I bought them specifically because she had them, and I thought they looked so rad. Like I thought they looked so freaking cool, so I was like, I need those. And I bought these, listen, back in April, and it took them until like June 6th to get to me. Now, I do know that I do believe that they are made by hand, because I think they actually have to take like one pattern of darker denim and one pattern of light denim and actually like sew them together and like put in this huge zipper. This zipper goes all the way around, by the way. These are the tightest jeans that I own. They are so incredibly tight, but they fit so nicely. This is a perfect example of jeans being the tiniest bit too loose in my waist, but it doesn't matter because they are tight on my thighs, but not too tight. Like, it's not something that's unbearable or it doesn't hurt me when I sit down. These ones are very tight on my thighs, but it like makes up for it. I don't know, like it's a little bit too loose on my waist but too tight in my legs, but it's okay. Like, it's not an issue and it still fits really, really nicely. I love these jeans. These are by Revice right here. I just noticed that. How cute. It has all the sizes and then it has a little heart over on the one that you have. That's adorable. I got these in a size 28 because they say multiple times on their website when you're ordering that these specific jeans are extremely skinny jeans. So they would highly recommend sizing at least one size up. And I did, and I'm so glad I did because it took them 2 months to get to me. So if I would have gotten a size 27 like I normally would, there would have been no way that my thighs were getting in here, and I would have been genuinely devastated. Like, I would have been so sad if these did not fit me because I'm so happy and I'm so relieved that they fit. They fit good. But I love them. They're so funky, they're so cool. They're like some of the coolest jeans that I've ever seen in my life, and I really, really love them. But yeah, you guys, that has been all of my denim slash favorite denim that I own. I really hope that you guys like this video because I did. It was super fun to film and I loved trying all these on, just being able to wear them again. I hope that you liked it as well, and I hope that any of these that you like that you can get, I'll have them linked all in the description for you in case you want to shop. Any ones that I can't find, not that I couldn't find them, like if they're out of stock or something like that, I'll try to link like similar ones. But yeah, that's gonna be the video for today, you guys. I hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up the like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see other videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.